All right, so I'm going to attempt to take off, do a flip, and land with a DJI Tello using the SDK and PowerShell to access the .NET speech synthesizer so I can do voice commands to fly. Power on the Tello. Over the Wi-Fi now, we should see the Tello, which we'll connect to. Okay, we're connected to the Tello over a UDP port on 192.168.10.1. That's the IP address of the drone. I'm going to use PowerShell to start a voice activated command. So now I've got to put on the microphone. So here we go.
Starting TelloShell version 1.0. Ready for command.
Connect.
Connecting to Tello.
Launch.
Launching.
Flip. Land. Launch. Land. Land. And there you go. Exit. Exit.